everybody, this is Ruthie of Ruthie Ks Inc. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are seamstresses, and I say we because there's myself and there is my associate Naomi Lee, who I will be introducing throughout different videos on this channel, and my associate Anna Fryer, who is our virtual assistant, who helps us with all the tech side and with our scheduling for our actual business. We have on here already some older teaching videos, so check those out. And we have our podcast, So Much Talk, which we are super excited about and have just started. And in So Much Talk, we have a lot of information for you, starting with how to talk to your tailor, wedding gowns so far, and we're started looking at what it is to do custom for you and what's a timeline of that. And we're going to go on with that. Eventually, we're going to have interviews with different people in different industries that come around. We will also be incorporating our store, RK Artisans, and we'll be talking about the different things the makers do there. And all of this starts with sewing. In the store, RK Artisans, we do have a few other things that aren't sewn, like we have lotion bars, which are amazing, and we will introduce the people who create these different options for you. So our two websites that go with this are artisans.com and ruthieKsinc.com. So welcome to our YouTube channel, and we're excited to meet you also. And if you have any questions or want to hear us talk about something, please let us know in any of the comments. Nice to meet you all. This is Ruthie of Ruthie Ks Inc.